Replacing background images in Navigation Pro theme. If you want to make the homepage of your own site look like the homepage of the demo site, you'll want to replace the background images in two types of block. The blocks are AB Advanced Columns block and Cover block. The AB Advanced Columns block is used for the Navigation Pro homepage hero header. The AB Advanced Columns block is also used for some other large blocks of content in the Navigation Pro homepage. The cover block is used for the book row. First, we'll replace the background image for the homepage hero header. This image is inside an AB Advanced Columns block. When you're in page edit mode, place your cursor in the headline of the hero header. Activate the block navigation tool. Select the top block in that section. It should be an AB Advanced Columns block. Look under the WordPress settings cogwheel. The block tab of the AB Advanced Columns settings should now be open. Scroll down to the background image section. Click the button that says Select Image. Upload an image to replace the original image. The original image is 2000 pixels wide by 1334 pixels high. You can set the focal point by dragging the circle. Next, we'll replace the background image in the book row. Place your cursor in the headline of the book row. Activate the block navigation tool. Select the top block in that section. It should be a cover block. Look at the toolbar directly above the block. You might have to scroll up or down slightly to see this toolbar. Click the Edit Media icon. It looks like a pencil. This opens the media library where you can replace the background image. The original background image for the book row is 1700 pixels by 1133 pixels. And as always, when you've finished, make sure you update your post to save your changes. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and bye for now.